How to control iPhone screen time using FamiSafe. It is shocking how much time children spend scrolling through phones. In this video, you are going to learn about FamiSafe's screen time feature and how you can use it to control screen time your kid spends on his iPhone. Just follow these steps. First, install the Parental Control app location tracker FamiSafe from the Google Play Store for your phone and FamiSafe Jr app for kids' devices. On your child's device, now open the FamiSafe app on both phones and register or log in using your account details. Once you logged into your account, tap the Features tab from the button, then press 3 lines in the top right corner to open the Features menu. Now tap on Screen Time. You will see different options to set daily limit, choose Screen Time limit and enable it. After that, once time limit is reached, all apps on the kid's iPhone will be blocked. Now you will see two different options. In every day, you can set limit, which will be applicable for each day. To do so, just tap on the time limit option below and set your required screen time limit. Click on the Save button in the upper right corner to apply these settings. You can also set Smart Schedule, where you can configure when and where to block your kid's iPhone. To do so, click on the Smart Schedule option and then set Smart Schedule. Here, you can name your schedule. Set a location to apply schedule and set a time period to apply schedule and set a start time and end time. Once done, click on the Save button on the top right. That is how you can control iPhone screen time using FamiSafe. In case you are wondering if it's worth the hassle to limit your kid's screen time using an app such as FamiSafe, studies indicate you will notice these benefits immediately: better sleep and grades, reduced BMI and aggression, better social behavior. So much for today. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below or stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. We will see you in the next video.